welcome back to Calorie TV. It's Ree. Anyways, so I'm here to basically introduce my video. I want to start this thing called Meatless Monday, where I give you guys a recipe video that doesn't include meat, because I know a lot of times people ask me about recipes and what can I cook and what can I eat, what do you eat for protein and things like that. So I figured if I start this little Meatless Monday series, that would at least give you like some ideas of things that you could cook for yourself, because I never really try to make things too complicated as far as when I get in the kitchen. So hopefully, you know, it'll be recipes that you guys are interested in. So if you already read the title, then you know today, oh my gosh, look at me. Y'all excuse my hair. I've been like playing in makeup, playing with my hair. Just ignore me, okay? Ignore me. I'm playing with makeup and playing with my hair. So anyways, you know that we made meatless lasagna. It was super easy. Basically, I mean, dang, it was so easy, y'all. I'm just thrown off by how easy it was. So basically, I'm just gonna walk you guys through the steps, let you know what I did, and yeah, from there, it's super easy. And also, as always, if it's not a recipe that I made up, I will link the recipe in the description box. Today is actually Monday, so this video will be up tonight. And I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything. If you guys have any requests that you would like for me to make for Meatless Monday, let me know. I'll definitely be interested in doing that for you guys. You know, as always, any questions, suggestions, you can leave down below in the comments, and I will write you guys back or let you know what I'm going to do as far as your requests, or you'll just see the video. Boom. Or you just see the video. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So we're going to use some meatless grams, and then we're going to use some basil leaves, and then we're going to use some oregano. Keeping it simple, y'all, keeping it simple. Some shredded mozzarella cheese. I got fancy with the organic, clearly. And some oven-ready lasagna noodles. Y'all, I didn't even know these existed. Can you say super easy? 1 egg. And some cottage cheese. And as you guys can see, this is not a vegan recipe. This is a vegetarian recipe. And we're going to use some marinara sauce. Keeping it simple, you feel me? We're going to add the beefless grounds into the pot. And then we're going to add 3 cups of the marinara sauce. So first you're going to see me adding 2 cups, just regular. 2 cups regular, simple. Give that a good old stir. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, look like sloppy joes. So after we add those 2 cups regular, the next thing, you're not really going to see this in the frame, but what I did was add some water to the jar so that I can, you know, get the rest of that sauce out of there and make a full 3rd cup of marinara sauce for the lasagna. Life hack. All right, so now that we got all 3 cups of sauce in our meatless grams, we're going to give it a good stir. And I mean stir it like your granny is cooking it. Put your back into it. You could do it, put your back into it. You could do it, put your back into it. Put your neck into it. Just kidding, just your arm, guys. Don't hurt yourself. All right, so after we're done with our meatless grams, we're going to get started with our cottage cheese. Just dump it all into the bowl. How much you need is down below in the description box, so just keep that in mind. But clearly how much we needed is this whole container. I think it's like 12 ounces, 24 ounces, something like that. After you put your cottage cheese in the bowl, you're gonna add your seasonings, which I missed, y'all. I think the camera went off, so just know I added the seasonings to this. Y'all not gonna see it, but it's in there. and this egg. I added the seasonings and the egg. Then you're gonna give that a nice stir. Alright guys, here is the main part of the main part. This is the most important part. We're finna get to layering. So the first layer is going to be the meatless grams with that marinara sauce. Make it a thin layer because keep in mind we gotta keep this going. So we do a thin little layer of that. After that layer, we're going to move on to some noodles. Spread it on thin. You don't have to cover the whole bottom of the pan because, you know, the flavor is going to go throughout, so you'll be good. But, you know, cover it to the best of your ability. A nice thin layer. And then add 4 noodles across. Then after the noodles are on there, you're going to add the cottage cheese mixture, and then you're going to keep going from there. After the cottage cheese mixture, I'm getting tongue-tied. After the cottage cheese mixture, I'm going to add the meat sauce onto there, and just keep going and keep going and keep going, basically until you run out of cottage cheese mixture and meat sauce. So I believe we did about 3 layers before we ran out. And on the very top layer, you're gonna add the rest of that mozzarella cheese you had. This is cheesy deliciousness, y'all. So don't you be shy. Don't you be shy. Get in there like swimwear. You feel me? Pat it down, pat it down. Patty cake, baker's man. Roll it in. And I don't know the song, y'all. after you add that cheese on top, you're going to put the aluminum foil on top, and then it's time to put it in the oven. Okay. And then, once it's done, it's time to go. It's time to eat. It's time to feast. Let's go. Turn up. It's time to get into this cheesiness, deliciousness. Cheesiness, deliciousness. Oh, it was just so good, y'all. I hope y'all can like smell it and taste it through the screen. It was just so easy. It's no meat. It's a perfect meal for a person just transitioning to vegetarian. Someone who's like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do this, but I know I really want to. Try this recipe. You're not going to miss meat a bit. The ground crumbles resemble ground beef so much, you're going to be Gucci. Look at that, y'all. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget the recipe is linked down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that I know that you like my cooking videos and you want me to keep making them. And what else? Hit that post notification bell so you know when we post a new video. Duh. See you guys next time.